Today I'm going to be reviewing ROLOWAY 6400 degree Fahrenheit fireproof bag, water resistant. I'd like to thank ROLOWAY for sending this to me to review. So you can see what's nice, it actually has a lock. You can change the code, it starts off there, but you can see just like your bags for the airport, you can take them out and then open this up here. But it's a good size. They show that you can put like 11-inch tablet. It's got some separators in there. Now I just did a review of their smaller bags. This one is actually a 12-layer bag here. I did bring this. This is not going to do it justice, but we can just see just real quick that it's not. Yeah, I mean, this ain't going to do anything. This doesn't come close to the degree that you would need to burn this. In fact, it's probably going to burn the table more than anything else. It at least passes this test. So this has 12 layers, silicone coating, fiberglass layer, thermal insulated layer, fire resistant fiber, reinforced layer, heat insulated layer, thermal insulated layer, flame retardant layer, thermal insulated layer, heat resistant layer, fire resistant fiberglass, aluminum foil layer, which is what's in the inside here, as you can see. And you can find more on the website about this from ROLOWAY. But, I mean, this is a monster. If you need some bigger documents, this will do it. Maybe a tablet. Protect it. You're good to go with this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.